So if you want to start a residential assisted living home, but staffing is something that makes you go, yeah, I don't know, then this video is for you. I teach people how to own and operate residential assisted living homes all across our country. I've been doing it for the last 10 years. I do it myself, and I only spend about 5 hours a week on 3 care homes that cash flow me over $10,000 a month each. So this may be for you. Listen, when it comes to staffing, it is the most important thing in this space, because if you don't want to be hands-on and you don't want to be getting called when somebody no-shows for a shift or when there's an issue happening, then you have to have the right staffing in place. And really the way that you can become hands-off is by having levels to it. There's levels to this thing, baby. So you, the owner operator, you're sitting in that owner operator box. The next box is your administrator. They're running all of the day-to-day within the business. They're having those key relationships, doing tours, doing marketing, hiring, firing, onboarding, scheduling, training, all of that good stuff. If you have multiple homes, you also may have a house manager that's under your administrator but above your caregivers. It could be a caregiver, but a glorified caregiver who is helping out at that one specific home, their house manager for one home. So again, if you have multiple homes, owner-operator can sit on top of multiple homes, administrator can oversee multiple homes, but one house manager per home. Then underneath is your caregivers and your contractors, activities people, handymen, whoever it is that you may need to come over, landscapers, whatever. Staffing is going to be key. So if you are not willing to make that strategic hire of your administrator and maybe even also the strategic hire of your house managers, then this business might not be for you. But if cash flowing $10,000 a month on one home and you have to spend 5 hours a week on it is for you, then I think making one hire can be worth it, because that 1 or 2 hires is what separates you from getting that call of somebody no-showing. You see, in that system, there's many people that have to be called before I'm called. Also, why would they call me? I'm not a licensed caregiver. I can't fill the shift, so I'm literally no help to them. Systems are key to success. Systems help you avoid that staffing failure. Now, on the other hand, I want to talk about staffing from a different angle. There's high turnover in this industry in general, but in our homes and our students' homes, we often find that turnover is significantly less than it is from the industry, like what people are seeing in the big boxes. You see, in a Brookdale, when the ratio is 50 seniors to 1 caregiver, and your home it's 5 to 1, but the caregiver's getting paid the same, which home do you think they want to work in? When their tire busts on the highway and they call their boss and say, I'm going to be late, I have to deal with this now, and you say, where are you at? Let me come help you. I'll get you an Uber. I'll get you a new tire. Don't stress. And the Brookdale says, you're fired, right? These are completely different people and cultures and environments. And again, which one do you think they want to work for? Probably you. So in our training, we not only go through systems of how to hire, who to hire, what to say on the interview, but then treatment and culture, because really people don't quit jobs. People quit people. So you have to be someone who's being a leader from the top down. The only thing you should be caring about as an owner-operator is treating your staff so well. Because if you treat your staff well, they'll treat your seniors well. And that's how this business works, baby. If you want to learn more, send me a DM. I'd love to chat. Talk soon.